chicken patties in air fryer, or some countries they call it chicken chapli kebab. It's gonna be a perfect recipe, delicious recipe for your air fryer. It's gonna take around 30 minutes of your time. I have at least 2 pounds of ground chicken. This is white meat, the breast meat, and the thigh meat mixed up all together. You can make this recipe just by the chicken breast meat, or you can make this recipe just by the chicken thigh meat. I'm giving you the whole recipe. It's not that big, not that tough recipe. You will enjoy this recipe. This is 2 pounds of chicken, ground meat. Ground chicken is right here. I have 2 medium-sized onions. I'll tell you each ingredient, how to put, when to put, and how we're gonna add this. Look at this. I'm using garlic paste. I'm using ginger paste, thyme leaves, salt, crushed pepper, turmeric, coriander, cumin, black pepper, cilantro, chilies, onion, 1 egg. Cornstarch will help in the binding. 2 medium-sized onions. Add this in your food processor. Just slice them so it makes easy for your food processor to work. 2 medium-sized onions are here. This is cilantro. I'm using just the top part. We need handful of fresh cilantro leaves. You guys see, handful is this. After rough cutting it, add this all in here. Jalapeno, you can use it. I have fresh green chilies. With this patties, you have to give the fresh flavor, you know. We are done with cilantro, onions, and chili in the food processor. Here is coriander. You will need 1 and 2 tablespoons. Cumin, 1.5 cumin. We will process this, okay? All right, look at this. If your vegetables are popping out of your processor, stop it, push it in. So it's gonna be like that. Handful of fresh cilantro, 2 spoons of coriander, 1.5 spoon of my friend. They go all in here. Cumin. Oh my God. Ooh, it smells so good. Fresh home ground black pepper, 1 whole tablespoon. Okay, or you can call it crushed ground pepper. Goes turmeric. This is the main ingredient, man. It will give the color, it will give the flavor. 1 whole tablespoon goes right here. Crushed pepper. This is optional. If you don't like your food to be extra spicy, skip that, but chicken patties should be having flavor, right? I'm getting this from the onion. I do love you guys. Here you go, sea salt. 1 to 1.5 tablespoon goes right here. 1 egg, my friend, for the 2 pounds. Oh my God, I love you. 1 more, I do, right here. I'm using just 1 egg. This much I love you. You'll take a whole tablespoon of thyme. 1 whole tablespoon of thyme goes right here. Done. And look at this, ginger paste, organic, my friend. 1 whole tablespoon of ginger paste goes here. 1 whole tablespoon of garlic paste. So this is a bigger spoon version. You can do 1.5. It's all fine. This is 2 pounds. You should be adding at least 2 spoons of garlic paste in here. Chicken patty to be binded all together, not break in air fry, you know. You will need cornstarch. 2 tablespoons right here. Here's my hand, and here you go. We have seasoned our delicious ground chicken. We just need to mix it, and that's what it is, my friend. Very easy job. Look at this. All the mixing has done. The texture of the ground chicken is too soft. You will take at least 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Trust me, it tastes so nice. These are chicken patties, right? We want the chicken patties at its best. So another new glove. Let's make this. Mix this. Oh my God, it's jumping everywhere. It's just jumping everywhere. It'll give a perfect nice flavor. You see the texture now? It's so hard now. You see? Okay, once you do all this mixing, flavoring your ground meat for the chicken patties, leave this mixture at least for 10 to 15 minutes, you know, on the room temperature. And here it is. Give me just 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Our beautiful batter, our beautiful chicken patties batter right here. It has been sitting right here. This is our air fryer. I have the Ninja version. If you have the door one, which you pull on the door, you can still use that. Let's turn it on, put it on air crisp. This is 390 degrees. Time should be 25 minutes. Let's put it on. It's on a preheat. You can use any lid jar for this recipe to make the perfect sizes, or you can just grab it, give it a beautiful shape from the hands, and let's make some patties out of it. Alright, so I have some water here. This is the butter spray. If you want to make it from the lids, you know, any kind of lids, home, spray all the way in here, grab the meat from the hand, put it in this jar lid. You know, it's gonna give a perfect flavor, perfect round shape. And once you do that, you see how beautiful it looks. Put it again on the other side, just press it nicely, remove the excess, just like that. And here you go. Look at this patty right here. Chicken patty, perfect, huh? Chicken patties at its best, you know. Chicken Chapli Kebab for your air fryer, my friend. Our air fryer is ready. What we will do, we will just land this meat. We don't need to spray anything at the bottom. And we will start making another. Let's do some butter spray at the bottom. Grab meat, just like this. Add all in the jar lid. Flip it. Again, add the same right here. Press it from the top. Let me remove this, press it from the top so it forms a perfect, you know, remove the excess, we don't need that. And try to take this out right here. Give it another pat, just pat it up so the meat and the texture stays all together right here. Let's add this right here in our air fryer. Land this right here. All right, our beautiful 4 patties are inside. Let's close this down. It's 25 minutes. We will check back these patties after 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes of the air fryer. If you guys see here, look at these chicken patties, man. The ingredients and everything has done its job. Look at this. They're sliding on top of my air fryer. I'm flipping it. You guys should flip it. Look at this. Perfect, huh? This is what we are craving, you know, healthy, clean food jumping around in your air fryer. Man, so good. Let's give them another 10 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. They are completely done. They are cooked all the way from inside as well. I'm 100% sure. Let's flip them. Use butter spray. This is 0-calorie butter spray. Just spray some on top of these so they make a perfect shiny look. Time to dish these guys out. Here you go. This is our serving board. Okay, let's put this right here in our oil cup. This is the moment of truth, my friend. Here you go, in front of you guys. Woo! Look at this. Chapli kebab, chicken fritters in your air fryer. Subscribe the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next one with another delicious recipe you can make.